Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is out of memory. I mean, yeah, so basically as an array of n integers, this a1 to an basically perform an operation on the array. The ith operation, that's uh, a at the base bi is equal to a at the base bi plus seed index. Okay, I means index. Okay, unfortunately, due to rising RAM cost, basically computer has limited memory, and whenever any element of array is greater than h, her computer crashes, and every element in the array is reset to its original value. After all the operation has been performed, output an array. Okay, so what we have to output for each test kit, output an array a after all the operation has been performed. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Let's write a code. Number of test cases. Okay, and comma, and there is some long data type h, sin n, sim m, sin h. Okay, then vector long comma add n comma 0. Okay, then vector int gen n comma 0, then int cur gen. Okay, cur gen for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I increment int b long c sin b c b minus. Okay, then long base. I mean, see what's happening over here. Like, we have incremented this, we have incremented that. Long base int is also correct. Okay, I mean, the base should be like gen b less than current b, so it should be something like gen b less than cur gen. Okay, ab plus, I mean, come on, add b. Okay, so yeah, long new well is equal to base plus c. Okay, if new well greater than h, cur gen will increment, else no if. Else add b is equal to new well minus a gen b is equal to cur gen. Okay, then after all that, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than, and I increment if gen I less than cur gen, cout ai. Okay, else cost, I mean sorry, cout ai plus add cout and -1, return 0. Okay, finally it's a long code. I mean, let's run it first, then we understand. Okay, there is a issue in line number 36. Yeah, so okay, then in 25, okay, what the hell I have done over here? Gen B is equal to Gen B, Gen B, Gen B, Gen B, Gen B, Gen B, Gen B. Yep, we haven't declared the array over here. That's why the, I mean, what I can say, issue is coming. Like vector wrong, and okay, then for and I is equal to 0 slash then and I plus plus okay, so now it's working fine. Let's now run some test cases to understand, I mean, is it working or not. So guys, it's working fine. The test cases, I mean, the outputs are correct. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply it. Thank you for watching.